Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we finally have a pair of Yeezys I've been waiting for. It's been so long. It has been so long since I've been waiting for a shoe, at least a Yeezy. Alright, look, man, we all know. I've said on this channel numerous of times, alright? I'm done buying 350. And after this pair, I'm gonna say it again. I'm done buying 350. Every time I say that, Kanye made me eat my words, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. If you ever said you're never gonna buy a 350 again, comment down below because I've been there before, bro. Something about it, I don't know. Y'all know I just picked up the Yeezy reels. Those was fire. And of course, this video is how to cop your pair of Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Yecheils. Now, when I first seen this sneaker, I already knew right off the back they was coming home. I seen them early at Sneaker Games. What was that? Orlando? I think, yeah, Sneaker Games Orlando. Somebody had them on feet. Don't know if they was real. Don't know if they was fake. You know what I'm saying? All I know is they look good. All right, they did look good. So I ain't gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is with dudes or like when dudes see a shoe they like, they don't like to get props. Me, I'm not like that. I'll tell you straight up, like, those is fire. So I see the dude walking around the whole time and he got them on and everybody staring. Like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody too cool to say something. I see dude, I'm like, yo, them joints is hard, you know what I'm saying? They're fire. So from that point, which is like 2 months ago, from that point forward, I wanted these in hand. Now, big thing, all right? A lot of people are turned off by the shoe. A lot of people actually like it. Me personally, I was of the thought of, let me see what they look like. It's a lot of colors going on. It's a lot. We all know that Adidas used prime knit to make these Yeezys, and it looks like they just, you know, when your grandma get like, she ran out of knitting, so she had to use this color and just put it together. That is exactly what it kind of reminds me of, but it works. In a weird Kanye crazy look, it works. So I was not a fan immediately until I saw it up close, and I was sold as soon as I seen them on foot. So guys, if you came to this channel to figure out how to get your pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yecheils, you came to the right channel, man. I do a lot of how to cop videos whenever there's a sneaker that has any hype or any sneaker that I think you guys will need assist getting. I step into the plate, man. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of what I do. I help y'all secure the bag, boy. So hit the subscribe button if you're new, man. The grind is 100K. Will we hit it by the end of the year? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But we not gonna stop trying. That's on dog. So something very different that caught my eye on this sneaker. It will be releasing on a Friday. Very weird. So to my people who are used to the usual or the normal Yeezy pickups, they usually drop on Saturday. And they just decided to remix this one. So the official release date is December 20th, and it will, of course, be for that retail price of 220 of them things. That's the regular asking going price for the Yeezy 350 V2. Now, I think a huge reason why they are making it Friday is because Adidas is also restocking the Zebra. I did a video on that. Check that video out if you are a Zebra fan, if you're looking for your pair, if you missed it. Adidas will be dropping that Zebra pair Saturday, and that will only be on Adidas.com, and it also will be on Yeezy Supply. So it's gonna be a lot of traffic. I said this in my last video. Jordan, he dropped the Bread 11s. No cap, you know what I'm saying? December, Jordan dropped the Bread 11s, but Kanye is coming with so many Adidas in December. I just feel like he's trying to take it over. Y'all know that Jordan take over December when it's 11 time. Kanye ain't going for it, bro. He said, look, I'm just giving y'all 6, 7, 8 shoes for December, and tell Jordan, you know what I'm saying, he got to get right. So I don't know, man. Comment what y'all think about that. But anyways, this sneaker, I don't think it will be that hard to get. The reason why is the sizing. I could be wrong. I have been wrong before, but usually when you go by this method, you're more right than wrong. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say I'm 100%, but I'll be more right than wrong. So the method I use to kind of gauge how accessible the shoe will be, how many sizes do they have? Do they have men's, women's, kids, toddlers? When they go all the way down to like that toddler size, that just gives me the idea that it will be a lot available. Usually when you get limited sneakers, they don't really go down to like the baby infant sizes just because of the number that, you know, that they have in stock. When they usually go all the way down to like the toddler sizes, it's kind of indicating that it's a lot. Now, like I said, it does not work for every release, and it might not work for every shoe, but for the vast majority, that's usually the case. So as I'm looking on Foot Locker right now, they have it for men. They got it in grade school, they got it in infants, they got it in preschool, and that is a clear indication that it should be a lot to go around. All I'm saying is you got to compete, and the only way to compete, you You gotta play the game, you feel me? So maybe he's just coming out with a lot of pairs, and I really hope he does, because this is a shoe I really want. So now it comes down to Snipe. How do I pick up my pair, man? I don't have a pair of Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? I never hit before. Or maybe you hit a while back, now you about to have some Christmas money, so you really want to know what is the best way to go about picking up your pair of Yeezys. Well, look no further, boy. I got you, okay? I'm about to give you the whole rundown of exactly what you need. Some people, you already know this, but for my new guys, for my people who don't know, this is basically what you need. But before we get into that, I have to say, listen, if you ever heard Kanye's song Jesus Walks, then smash that like button. Now look, this is a Kanye video. We talking about a Yeezy. I know he has millions of songs, and my younger kids, you probably never heard that. That's honestly one of my favorite Kanye songs of all time. That's why I'm not really surprised he on a spiritual tip right now. He came in on Jesus Walks. So for my people who support me, for my people who's ever heard Kanye's record, Jesus Walks, one of the best songs I've ever heard in my life, smash that like button. So first off, guys, what I want y'all to do is go to the apps. Like the apps that I just brung up was a Foot Locker app. You have different apps for different ways to cop your sneakers. Of course, you have Foot Locker, you got Champ Sports, you got Foot Action, you got Finish Line, and last but not least, you have Hibbett Sports. That is 5 apps. Now, once again, I know my vets in the game know all about the app, but for my people who don't know about the apps, these are the ways to cop your shoes for retail. Now look, on these apps, you all do it the same way. You create a login and a password. If you already passed that step, then it's super easy. All you do is go to Launch Locator, you pick the sneaker that you want, which is the Yeezy 350 V2 Yecheil. Once you do that, you put in the area code, and that will then pop up all of the stores in your area. So no matter if you got 50 stores, no matter if you got 1 store, you can only pick up to 3. If you got 1 store, you can't pick 3. If you got 6 stores, only pick 3. I advise everybody to pick the stores that as close as possible, so you don't have to travel that much, of course. After that, all you have to do is choose your size, whatever size you want. Now, that's what I want to talk to you guys about, sizing. A lot of people on my How to Cop videos ask me, how does Yeezys fit? So in my opinion, every Yeezy fits differently. The 750 fits differently, 500, the Yeezy 350 V2. In my opinion, I can't speak for everybody else. I'm a size 12. Size 12 and a half is very hard to get. The earlier stage Yeezy, take this one for example, all right? This was a little bit earlier. These fit very snug. All of like the beginning joints fit very, very snug. Now the 350 V2, the new joints with like that translucent stripe right there, these fit way better, okay? So what I'm saying is the ones that dropping, upcoming, the Yecheils that's dropping, they are this model, okay? The 350 V2 with the translucent stripe, they are true to size. In my opinion, they are true to size. I do feel like Adidas went back in the lab and fixed whatever they needed to fix, because the old pairs like this, they fit very snug. Even if you got any of the first generation, like the Turtle Doves, the Oxford Tans, the Pirate Blacks, always need to go a half size up. Ever since they changed it to the ones with the translucent stripe on the side, they have been true to size ever since. So I've been fine with a 12. I have a lot of room, and y'all know just about every Yeezy that dropped this year I've picked up, and you know that's from a lot of experience. So I would say go true to size. Next up, of course, is the obvious joints, the Yeezy Supply. Yeezy Supply is another website that will be selling this sneaker. They do surprise drops, and that is actually where you would go for the actual 3M pairs. So they have regular pairs, they have 3M pairs. The 3M pairs goes for the most on resale, but we'll talk about resale a little bit later in the video. 3M pairs are sold differently. They are only on YeezySupply.com, and they are 20 times more limited because the value is way higher. Now, there's not an actual release time for that. They actually drop at any time. Coincidentally enough, when the Yeezy Reels drop, the actual general release pair drop first, and then they drop the limited pairs after. You never know which direction. They might drop the limited pairs first, after, in the middle. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't help you on. I just think Kanye just throw a dart and just do what he want with that. Also, Adidas.com will be having these, so if you have the Adidas app, you can also purchase them on there as well. Like I said, it should be enough to go around. Hopefully, everybody gets their pairs. I know these videos definitely help a lot of you guys who's struggling, not really knowing how to go about it, but I'm telling you, if you want these, if you go for it, I think you should have a great chance. Your boy Snipe ain't gonna hold you, man. I'm not gonna tell you no tales. It should be straight. Now, for my people who came in for resale value, I'm not a reseller, y'all know that, but I do know the resale game. I am a part of the community, so I can say. With me, it's always the same. I'm sorry to be so remote, but the easy thing to say is it's all about exclusivity. How many pairs did they release? How many pairs did they not release? These shoes already retail for the price of $220. I think just about everybody who hits will grab them. You know, it's Christmas time. People got Christmas money. It's kind of like a Christmas Yeezy. And on top of that, it's a good one. It's not too many Yeezys that's been dropping as of late that are must cops. Even for me, the Yeezy Reels was dope. But you know, I got to send my Frozens. I could have passed, man. They kind of close, and especially if you got the glow in the dark joints, you didn't really need the Yeezy reel. But guys, that is pretty much it for the video. I really hope this was helpful, man. I try my best to be as descriptive and to help out you guys as much as I possibly can. If you guys have any more questions, just feel free to DM me. Also, down below in the comment section is my Instagram and my Twitter. I need you guys to please head over there and follow me. I'm trying to hit 20,000 followers. We close. We not there yet, man. We super close. I appreciate you guys as always. It has been real. Another video, man. 2019 is coming to an end. It's blown by, man. I'm not gonna hold you. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.